Minerals. Naturally occurring substances with a defined chemical composition, found in the Earth's crust.
矿物质
Volcanoes. Openings in the Earth's crust where molten rock, ash, and gases escape from below the surface.
火山
Terrestrial. Related to Earth or land, especially distinguishing Earth from other planets.
地球的、陆生的、陆地的
Solar. Relating to or coming from the sun.
太阳能的
Crater. A large, bowl-shaped depression caused by an explosion, impact, or volcanic activity.
火山口
Venus. The second planet from the sun, known for its thick, toxic atmosphere.
金星
Martian. An imaginary inhabitant of Mars or something related to Mars.
火星人
Carbon. A chemical element that forms the basis for most life on Earth.
碳
Dioxide. A molecule with two oxygen atoms bonded to another element.
二氧化物
Carbon dioxide. A colorless, odorless gas produced by burning carbon and during respiration.
二氧化碳
Impact. The effect or influence of one thing on another.
影响
Vapor. A gaseous state of a substance, typically from evaporation or boiling.
蒸汽
Jupiter. The largest planet in the solar system, known for its great red spot.
木星
Water vapor. Water in its gaseous state, especially as part of the atmosphere.
水蒸气
Jovian. Related to the planet Jupiter or gas giants similar to it.
类木行星的
Solar system. The sun and all the objects that orbit it, including planets, moons, and asteroids.
太阳系
Mass. The quantity of matter in an object, or a large quantity of something.
质量大量
Composition. The nature and arrangement of different parts that make up something.
组成
Terrestrial planets. Planets that are Earth-like, with rocky surfaces, such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
类地行星
Highlands. Elevated land areas that are higher than the surrounding terrain.
高地
Chondrules. Small, spherical particles found within meteorites, formed in the early solar system.
陨石内球状颗粒
Jovian planets. Gas giant planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
木星行星
Nebula. A vast cloud of gas and dust in space, sometimes forming stars.
星云
Liquid. A state of matter that flows and takes the shape of its container.
液体
Gravity. The force that attracts objects toward the center of the Earth or any other body with mass.
重力
Crust. The outermost layer of a planet, typically solid rock.
低壳
Density. The mass per unit volume of a substance.
密度
Meteorite. A fragment of a meteor that survives its passage through the atmosphere and lands on Earth.
陨石
Rates. The speed or frequency of an event occurring over a particular time.
氯
Matter. Physical substance that occupies space and has mass.
物质
Inclusions. Materials trapped inside a mineral during its formation.
夹杂物
Impact craters. Depressions on a surface created by the impact of a meteorite or other celestial body.
撞击坑
Chondrites. A type of stony meteorite containing small round particles called chondrules.
球粒陨石
Greenhouse. A glass or plastic building where plants are grown, typically to provide warmth and protection.
温室
Shield. A protective barrier, often used metaphorically to describe protection from harm or impact.
屏蔽
Interior. The inside part of something, typically referring to a building or planet.
室内
Outflow. The process of something flowing out of a place.
外流
Ejecta. Material that is thrown out during volcanic eruptions or impact events.
喷出物
Diameter. The length of a straight line passing through the center of a circle or sphere.
直径
Atmospheric. Related to the Earth's or another planet's atmosphere.
大气的
Protons. Positively charged subatomic particles found in the nucleus of an atom.
质子
Outflow channels. Pathways carved by the flow of liquid, such as water, often found on planets like Mars.
流出渠道
Satellites. Natural or artificial bodies that orbit planets or other celestial bodies.
卫星
Spacecraft. Vehicles designed for travel or operation in outer space.
飞船
Pluto. A dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt, once considered the ninth planet in the solar system.
冥王星
Saturn. The sixth planet from the Sun, known for its prominent ring system.
土星
Matrix. The surrounding material in which something is embedded or developed.
基层基质
Hydrogen. The lightest and most abundant chemical element in the universe.
氢
Extent. The size or scale of something, or the degree to which something has spread or occurred.
程度
Extensive. Covering or affecting a large area, or having a wide range or scope.
广泛的
Cratering. The process by which craters are formed, typically through impacts or explosions.
火山口的形成。
Martian surface. The outer layer or crust of the planet Mars.
火星表面。
Greenhouse effect. The trapping of the sun's warmth in a planet's lower atmosphere due to the presence of greenhouse gases.
温室效应。
Shield volcanoes. Large, broad volcanoes with gentle slopes formed by the eruption of low-viscosity lava.
盾状火山。
Rocky. Made of or covered with rocks, or having a rough and uneven surface.
岩石的。
Runoff. Water that flows over the surface of the land, often after rain, eventually reaching rivers or oceans.
径流。
Retain. To keep possession of something or continue to hold it.
保留。
Refractory. Resistant to heat and difficult to melt or fuse, often used in relation to materials.
耐火的。
Neptune. The eighth planet from the Sun, known for its deep blue color and strong winds.
海王星。
Mercury. A chemical element that is a liquid metal at room temperature.
汞。
Lunar. Related to the moon.
月球的。
Metal. A solid material that is typically hard, shiny, malleable, and good at conducting electricity and heat.
金属。
Galileo. The famous Italian scientist known for his contributions to astronomy, including his observations of Jupiter's moons.
伽利略。
Escape. To break free from confinement or control.
逃逸。
Differentiated. Having distinct parts or characteristics, often referring to the layering of planetary bodies.
有区别的。
Constituents. The components or parts that make up a whole.
成分。
Comets. Celestial objects consisting of ice, dust, and rocky material that develop tails when near the sun.
彗星。
Bulge. A rounded swelling or protuberance, often due to pressure.
凸起物。
Venusian. Relating to the planet Venus.
金星的。
Volatile. Easily evaporated at normal temperatures or prone to rapid changes.
易挥发的。
Geological activity. Processes related to the movement and formation of Earth's or other planets' physical features.
地质活动。
Nebular. Relating to or resembling a nebula, which is a cloud of gas and dust in space.
星云的。